Addition Concepts for First Grade is a mathematics unit that is designed for instruction in the beginning of the first grade year. It covers 5 days of lessons along with one final summative assessment. The overall learning objective of the unit is to help students develop an understanding of addition concepts within 20 while also introducing the additive identity property for addition and the commutative property of addition. Within the Addition Concepts unit, there are 5 specific unit objectives that are covered. The first is that students will be able to use tools and manipulatives to solve adding to addition problems. The second is that students will be able to use tools and manipulatives to put together 2 groups of numbers to solve addition problems. The third is for students to be able to solve adding to and putting together situations using the strategy Make a Model. The fourth is that students will be able to understand and apply the additive identity property for addition. And the fifth is that students will be able to understand and apply the commutative property for addition. There are 2 California Common Core standards that are addressed within the unit. The first is 1OA1. This is in the area of operations and algebraic thinking. The substrand is represent and solve problems involving addition and subtraction. And the standard is number 1. Use addition and subtraction within 20 to solve word problems involving situations of adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, and comparing. The second standard is 1OA3. This is in the area again of operations and algebraic thinking. The substrand is understand and apply properties of operations and the relationship between addition and subtraction. The standard is number 3. Apply properties of operations as strategies to add and subtract. This covers both the commutative property of addition and also the additive identity property of addition. Our students are at the center of everything we do. As educators, our foremost goal is to prepare them for their future. The ISTE standards describe the skills and knowledge they need to learn effectively and live productively in an increasingly global and digital society. Within the Addition Concepts unit, there are 3 of the ISTE standards that are met. The first is creativity and innovation. The second is communication and collaboration. And the third is critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making. Using digital strategies, it is possible for us as educators to meet the multiple intelligences that are represented within our classroom. The 8 different intelligences are interpersonal, intrapersonal, bodily kinesthetic, musical, logical mathematical, verbal linguistic, naturalist, and visual spatial. Within the Addition Concept unit, all of these intelligences will be addressed through different strategies that use digital integration. Within the unit, there are different technologies used to meet the needs of the diverse learners within the classroom. The first is YouTube counting videos. The second is YouTube counting songs. The third are interactive website games such as Fishy Count, Fun with Math, and word problems with manipulatives. Also, there are iPad apps, one of them being Monster Math Games Edition for Kids. Also, Skype will be utilized for discussion with a class at a sister school, and also a smartboard will be utilized as well. Of student activities within the unit are, first of all, a musical activity, which is practice counting to 20 by singing. This is done through using YouTube videos and songs. The second is a Skype collaboration with a sister class. This would include having a discussion about addition, and it ends with a friendly class competition comprised of addition games. The third is critical thinking in pairs, where partners work with an online interactive word problem game. And then finally, there is problem solving with iPads. Again, partners work together to solve addition problems with a monster themed app. What I've learned by tailoring this unit with technology is that we as educators have a responsibility to meet the needs of all learners. I've recognized that integrating technology is crucial for meeting the needs of a diverse set of students. Digital integration helps to target different intelligences at varying degrees of depth of knowledge. The future of education is most certainly digitally based, and the more we as educators attempt to embed these strategies into our teaching, the better we prepare our students for their future. Our world has been transitioning to a digital society for quite some time and will continue on that path. Our students are digital natives in a world of teachers who are digital immigrants. It is our job to bridge that gap and meet our students where they can learn best. Technology is the answer.